Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 5 for December STL for 2022. We're going to show you what they have out right now. And some of the stuff we did move towards the back due to the fact that none of them has been showing up. So it is the 20th. So hopefully they have stuff up for it. I've been waiting on purposely just to film this early for it. But anyhow, let's see what they have for us. So for STL miniature, very good miniature series as well. We got the undead set support. Looks like we have looks like ghouls more than zombies. We do need different types of ghouls, but we have, a whole little market area that looks pretty good as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and check out our store down below, Patreon and Discord as well. Um, you know, resin costs a lot of money, and I like to paint a lot of these things, but I don't have the resin to print it right now. And I need a new printer too. So, but anyhow, we got a food court, some baskets. So we got a lot of these these little things helps out a lot for visualization. But a lot of times people don't make their own towns in the game. They usually steer their minds for it. We got an old lady with a little scary looking monkey with it. And looks like a half elf, merchant, fruit salesman, human. And we have a merchant guy on a horse. That I feel sad for that freaking horse holding uh, a whole bunch of shit in the back for it as well. So we got our actual undead. So they look more like ghouls than undead, just letting you guys know. But you can make them as ghouls or zombies. Ghouls have an actual kingdom, and their own little philosophy and so forth as well, and anarchy for it. So that is really up to you. I see him as both. I can guess this is like a zombie lord or a ghoul lord for as well. Um, we have Balcastar 3D. I'm guessing these are the demonettes, the succubus, and vampires. Looks like it. I think these are mostly vampires. Let's see, Nocturnal King. Yeah, it's vampires, not succubus, but it would be pretty good to have too for prints. 3D, I think they're using torrents for their prints. I haven't really seen much other stuff this month. These just looks like old torrents. So here's actual December ones. So we're having torrents for this month. For it, if you need more Warcraft or you want some kind of Minotaur society and stuff like that for your game, this is also very good to have as well. And the next one is Robin. Robin art, also very good art. We were holding up, missed that. So we have our Christmas. So we have our Santa and Yeti, and you can get the lewd one. Sorry. But yeah. 3D Hex. We have a war. We have a owl statue. That will eat a lot of resin. I do need an FDM printer as well to print these things, so that it'll be a lot cheaper to use that as FDM prints than using actual resin for it. So that looks pretty good as well. My Puppets War miniature. That's January sneak peek. This is December. So we have some Tyranids, some Space Marines, and some Mecho Orc Riders. Orc Mecho Riders for it. That looks pretty cool as well. So if you're in Warhammer and you want to have little varieties of stuff, this is one way to go as well. But yeah, so Warhammer is ridiculously expensive, but they also got to figure out if the other party is okay with you using these as well. So I know a lot of people are anal about it, and I don't really understand why. So we have Land of the Bones for Print Your Monster. So we have uh, a bone worm skeletal dragons. We have one with two heads. We have like a spider with a skull, human skull on it. So this looks pretty cool. Uh, if you go into like the graveyard stuff for that as well, and a little horror campaign, $7.09. That actually dropped that a lot for the price for it. I'm really surprised for that as well. Let's see what we got for Francis. That's January. Uh, I think that's for January. That's a new project. So December we have this girl from Genshin Impact. I really got far from it. We got this girl from Chainsaw Man. I actually started watching anime and I'm reading the manga. I really do like it, so it's a really good figure to get as well. Power. That's I forgot. Her name is Power. Been watching a lot more animes than lately, so I'm actually kind of happy about it because there was a lot of shit animes for the past few months, and I'm like, yeah. TPK Labs, loyalty rewards. This is what you get for loyalty. I think I'm in 6 months now, so I should be getting this and this. 9 months would be another different version of looking tier mat for it. It's a welcome pack. So I gotta use a community source. So we have a demon. We have a human druid. That looks like Radagast. Doesn't that look like Radagast to you? That'd be kind of Radagast the Brown. Another human druid. Oops. A web gentleman. Skittering lady. Lombard. And I hate when they do this shit. I wish there was an easier button for me to go next on this. A Lombard. Raka Sasha, the Channer. I've never really. I used that character once. It was a villain for it as well, but I never really actually seen people playing that using that in the game. Zeus chosen. Athena's chosen. Inya human paladin. Sebastian human paladin. Urgon Grinding Oxyon. I'm thinking he's got to be a demon. But it is like I said, it's really up to the players how they play the character and stuff like that. So we have Saber Forge. I don't know if this is the one they do a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, this is the three different types with the Grim Realm, Titan City Stories, Hyper Front. So this is the Titan, I believe, for it. So we have a car. A lot of these things you can actually replace for some of the stuff for your Imperial soldiers, your Space Marines stuff as well. These you can change one of your chaoses for it as well. They look more like chaos. Some of these look like the Death Guard. Just letting you guys know as well. Might be cheaper just buy it and print it out. Really up to you. We have our ship battles. I rarely seen any ship battles for a very long time. So we'll see if ship battle starts to get a new pickup for it. Just hasn't really seen much for it lately. But I like to use a lot of the vehicles for it. I do want to do a sci-fi style type game. Just finding the people for it. Yeah, that looks like a very good looking death card right there. That I gotta figure out for. So sometimes a lot of these, are a lot better looking than Games Workshop. And Games Workshop like, oh, you can't buy my shit anymore. Well, fuck you too. So that's pretty good. Forget toward the Dreadnought Space Chaos Machine. That looked real good as well. Well, let me know what you guys think about it. I was thinking about doing some streaming for Christmas and the weekends. If you guys want me to see me paint or do something, just please let me know and we can figure something out for it. Just leave down in the comments and let me know which one you guys like on the miniatures as well. When you get more in depth, print some stuff and try to paint some more stuff as well. To be honest, you can't tell even have done right. Okay. So we have some kind of a chaos, I believe, on that one. Don't know what the hell that is. I'm not really big lore and Warhammer. There's a lot to I will never actually dedicate myself with it. But if you want to tell me some of the lores about these things you see, please let me know as well. This is 3D art, and they do very good art as well. Um, I do want to paint. I have a whole bunch of Warhammer 40K and Age of Sigmar and fantasies that I like to paint more and live stream. It's kind of hard to do that, but that looks pretty cool. If you guys want to get that and put a little LED light, you may want to print this clear if you want to do the LED light for it, or make it like translucent resin for it. That looks really awesome as well. Let's see if there are any more in the back. Usually there is, but it's the same guy. Oh, there's a different alteration art of him. That looks a lot cooler too. You changed weapons and stuff around it. Well, I'm surprised it's just these two. Usually more. I'm guessing got more down for it. Armored, unarmed. I don't really know. I think this is from the Thousand Suns, isn't it? You guys know better than I do. I guess I paint it. I like to put my own story spin to it, but that's pretty much it for it. But I also want to see if there's any more to it. You got the one with the spear. Yeah, it's a Thousand Suns. I remember there's a story with that spear. I was watching one of the YouTubers talking about it as well. On December release, we have Rebecca and Luke. And I still have not finished watching the anime for it. So that's pretty cool looking as well. We have Luke. We have other sci-fi. What's that? This thing reminds me of something on the PlayStation game. Oh my lord! I keep just too many shit to remember, and I have really hard time remembering it. I forgot what the game's called. Oh my god! So this looks pretty cool as well. I do want to paint these things. This is just only those three. Oh, we got female Venom, she Venom with the booty cheeks. And that looked like the Huntress. But she's a DC. Huntress is a DC character. I don't remember for it. But yeah. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and our store as well. Cassifer is selling like cakes right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys want me to stream more, please do let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.